Launches from Huawei Nova series are also the most thrilling as they bring outstanding specifications at a really affordable price. The Huawei Nova 7i is the newest Huawei smartphone with a new mid-range chipset. In some global markets, it is also launched as P40 Lite. As expected, this device doesn't have Google mobile services, so you won't see core Google apps pre-installed. But don't worry, in this video I will be showing you how to install the Google services in this device. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. First and foremost, the Nova 7i appears identical to the Nova 5T. It has a beautiful display with a punch hole for the selfie camera on the upper left side. The power button is incorporated with fingerprint scanner and the volume rockers are located on the right side. At the bottom, we can find the single bottom firing speaker, USB Type-C port and 3.5mm audio jack. Turning to the left is the SIM card slot with support for Huawei's nano memory cards in a hybrid setup. Finally, at the top we have the secondary microphone. Flip it around and you'll see quad cameras in an enclosed thin metal frame. Luckily, we have here the crushed green variant as well as the Sakura pink. The other available color is midnight black. The build is entirely plastic with a metallic frame around and feels solid but attracts little bit of fingerprints. The overall build quality is good. The Nova 7i has a 6.4-inch LTPS IPS LCD display with the resolution of 1080 by 2310 pixels. The bezels are very visible, which gives the device 83.5% of screen-to-body ratio. Though Huawei didn't mention any special glass protection, but there is a screen protector pre-installed. Nova 7i comes with FHD Plus display, which delivers vibrant and richer colors with good contrast, sharp details and broader field of view. Under the sunlight, the display was admirably good. Coming to the battery part, it has a huge 4200 mAh battery. Huawei's EMUI software handles battery management well. We can easily make it through a day without charging. Thanks to 40 watts Huawei supercharger, the charging pace is really fast that the Nova 7i charges 70% in just 30 minutes. A full charge is done in just an hour. The smart resolution functionality also lowers the screen resolution automatically to HD+ for power saving. The Nova 7i is powered by the high-silicon Kirin 810 chipset with Mali G52 GPU with GPU Turbo. It comes in 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It's a versatile mid-range configuration capable of handling most activities that you throw at it. Let it be app launchers, gaming or switching between the apps, it does a great job. Nova 7i comes with EMUI 10 based on Android 10. You have the liberty to do the customizations, tweaks and lots of settings. As expected, the device doesn't have Google mobile services, so you won't see Google apps pre-installed. But Huawei mobile services is in the early stage, so it has plenty of time for improvements to be made. This can be an issue to some who are heavily dependent on Google services. Now I will be showing you how to install the Google services in the new Nova 7i, but before that, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel and press the bell icon. If you end up liking this video, press the like button and share it with your friends. So let's get started. First, you have to download the Chat Partner app. The link is in the description below. Once the file is downloaded, install the app, then click Open. Now, click Detect Device and then click Repair Now. Click Activate and wait until the process gets completed. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes. The services are on. Just log into your Google account and that's it. Now your device is running with the Google mobile services. As usual, the fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate. I love the side mounted sensors, which makes things easy. It's purely my personal view. But do let me know which fingerprint sensor placement you like the most. The poll is in the cards above. The face unlock feature works fast. Even in challenging light conditions, the unlock is quite good. The Nova 7i comes with a quad rear camera setup consisting of a 48 megapixel main shooter, 8 megapixel ultra wide shooter, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The quality is good and can get really nice pictures. It's impressive to see such clarity in a mid-range camera. Under the bright light, the photos come out with plenty of details with vibrant and punchy colors. Particularly in low light condition, the camera brightens up to retain the image quality. It has a 16 megapixel f2.0 selfie camera. Performance also goes well with clear pictures and detailed colors. It also has a portrait mode, night mode and beauty effect. To conclude my review, Huawei overall has introduced Nova 7i to their mid-range lineup. It has a gorgeous display, decent cameras, outstanding performance and a big battery with amazing charging technology. With the price range it provides, it's the strongest Android smartphone in 2020. That's it from me guys. Before closing, do subscribe to my channel, press the like button and share the video with your loved ones. I will meet you with another interesting video soon. Until then, this is Manish signing off.